I want to make money now. I don't want to sell put options for a month from now and wait for theta decay. I want money now. This is what we're doing today. We are looking to sell either naked puts or cash secured puts for tomorrow, September 27, and we are looking for at least above 70% win rate for the naked put. Again, if you have Robinhood, you need cash secure. If you have Tastyworks, you need just the buying power of about 30% of the option price. Let's get started. This is a good tutorial in my humble opinion, not a financial advice. And while speaking of that, let's read and know that this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. And everything that I do or say is my own opinion. And also, my name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40 Market Chameleon 7 days trial. Link in the description below. Let's get to it. Now, if you're not a member, as I said, go sign up. And then in order to get to this filter, you're gonna click on screeners right here and click on naked puts. I do it on Tastyworks. Sometimes I do for the weekly, and mostly I do for the monthly. But if you just don't have patience and you wanna collect income right now, I'm not suggesting to do it, but there is some filters that you can do. I'm not talking what is a naked put or what is a put in general and why you should sell or you should not sell put options for income or just to buy the stocks on the chip. That's all it does. Basically, I'm looking for a filter that the stocks will expire tomorrow. I'm not looking for earnings, so let's say there's Costco earnings, I think today after earnings, so it will not show up. And I'm looking for over 70% win rate for selling the put option just based on history. So let's see what we got. And I'm focusing on a high market cap, all the Apple, Microsoft, NVDA. So we got over 50 pages, but again, it's filtered by market cap, so we're just gonna focus on page 1. And feel free to scroll all the way. Now we got ourselves Apple, Microsoft right here, Apple, Microsoft, NVIDIA, Amazon, Google, Meta. Now, a couple of things. Yes, I can do all of them, but no. I want to focus on, let's say, $1, like $100 for every 100 shares. And I want something that, let's say today, if you watch the video and you buy it in the last minute of the market, and tomorrow, let's say the market is quiet, then you got like a buffer of like 2% buffer, something like that, and collect $100. That's the criteria that I'm looking for, and on a stock that I know. So if I look here, before I even go, first of all, see this expiration all of September 27. This is all for tomorrow. 1 day to expiration. Again, this is super risky. You either need to have the full amount cash secured put. So for this, for example, you would need about $20,000 for Apple, $40,000 for Microsoft, $112,000 for NVIDIA, etc., etc., $19,000 for Amazon, and so on and so forth. But this is for Robinhood. If you have Tastyworks, you would need about a third of that amount. So for Apple, 6,000-7,000. This one is 12,000. This one is like 3,000-4,000. About 30% of what the full amount is buying power. Okay, and you do get to keep your premium. So let's focus on put bid. I'm looking, as I said, at least $1 and at least around 2% cushion to the downside in 24 hours. So I assume the stock will not drop 2% in 24 hours. Collect my money and run, as they say. So first of all, I'm just glancing 46. I want something at least 100 or close to. We got NVIDIA. I'm gonna check this in a minute, but this is 72. Let's see if there's something a little better. 40, 13, 113. Meta, 234. Meta. Interesting. So Meta, let's focus on this. Meta, 563. And while you need, again, Robinhood, you probably need 50,000. In Tastyworks, you would need third of that amount, or like 15,000. So let's see this, and then we go over the NVDA, the $70 one. But let's start with Meta, price 563, okay, 1.4 trillion market cap, and it tells you the put that you sell is 555, which is $8 away from where it is now, okay, 19 delta, and you have a cushion of 1.6%. Well, so Meta needs to drop, of course, everything is possible, but it fits my criteria, give or take. Give or take, it's over $100. It's not exactly 2%, but it is 1.6, so it's close enough. Meta needs to go down by 1.6% in the next by tomorrow's expiration for you to break even. If it doesn't, collect $113 and run. This is a 33% IV rank, and you got 84.8% chance for this option to expire worthless, and great. Now if you do want to hold Meta and you have the amount, go ahead, this still will be yours, and a lot of other information in here. So that's one example, almost 85% win rate, that Meta will not go down 1.6% for you to break even. Okay, and if you look here, downside cushion to break even, this is for your max profit. 1.6 is your to go down, you still make a profit, and 1.8 is the break even. If you read here, downside cushion to break even, so basically here you didn't make anything, but if it goes down 1.6 still, and anything above that, you collect the entire amount of $113. So that's one option. Another option, if you don't have 50,000 or 15,000, third of that as buying power on Tastyworks, you can go to NVDA, okay, and let's see, this one caught my eye, the 72, okay, the $72. Price right now 122.74. It was 125.6 in the morning. Let's see what happens next. And you can sell the put, the 121 put, collect $72, okay, 31 delta. And NVIDIA can still go down 1.4% in the next 24 hours or so by expiration, and you still collect your income, and they can still go down 2% for you to just break even. The win rate, it's over 50%, but it's 74.4, so it's not Meta. So that's something to consider. And you can own, let's say it goes to 120. You own NVIDIA at 120.3.28 as your break even. This is yours to keep. This is basically where it needs to not go, and it still has a 2% downside cushion just to break even. So you just hope that Friday will be chill, that today the rest of the day will be chill, and it will just go sideways and you keep your money. So this is another thing to consider. Now there's other filters that you can do, but basically if you want to go, the higher the put, the riskier you get, basically. If you want to stay chill, let's say $46 on Apple, look at this, 227, price is 225, that's something. You want to buy 100 shares of Apple, or you already have the cash, or if you just have the buying power on Tastyworks, 6,000 or so, sell the 225 delta, and Apple needs to go down by 1.1%. It's not really ideal. You see here, if Microsoft, that's what I'm talking about, the farther you go, the less income you collect. So here for this example, you can sell the 412.5 on Microsoft, which is 430 now, and you still have like 4% downside cushion, but you get $5. I don't want to get $5, I want to get more. For this case, you get $50 for Microsoft for the 425. That's something. There you got 1.3% downside cushion. That's actually something. 89% win rate. Collect $50 if it stays above 425 in the next 24 hours. But again, you either need $40,000 on Robinhood or about 10, 12,000 on Tastyworks. A lot of ways to play that, and again, you can go to the next page and the next page or filter by any other stuff. But this tutorial was specifically for tomorrow's expiration. The farther you go in the expiration, the more income you will collect as an option seller. If you just sell for tomorrow, I don't know what to tell you. If you sell for today, I don't know if we have anything for today. It's probably just the SPX or something. SPY, QQQ, one page. Okay, this is interesting. Let's see this one, September 26. Let's see, above 70% expiration. This is for, you need it to be a day trader. I'm not doing that. But the price 570 right now. Let's see, for the example, looking for a break even to the at least 1.8. I don't see anything. This is the farther that I see, 1.3% on the Qs. Collect $5. 1.1% on the Qs. Collect $8. So the Qs are super efficient, the SPY are super efficient. So if you're just focusing on the tomorrow, on the expiration, that's what I would do either way. I hope this was valuable. 7 days trial, link below for market communion, and see you next time. Yeah.